It is indeed a pleasure to join this meeting with all of you and an honor to speak about my most favorite teacher. Speaking of, I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Apeksha,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are.
thanks you. Yeah,
Is your
thanks.
video on?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Speaking of teacher, there are probably more than 1 million teachers on this planet. And perhaps only a few hundred of these teachers are actually educators. But honestly, only a handful of them can become your mentors. Simansar is that mentor for me. And just like me, every life needs a mentor. The earlier a life seeks a mentor, the better it is for the life. To quote a very famous celebrity, Oprah Winfrey says, and I quote, "A mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself." I unquote. I have known this wonderful human being since 2003. So it's been more than 20 years. When I met him in a coaching class, having my boards in 2004, more than me, my parents had lost their hope as maths had always been a very challenging subject. With board exams nearing, my parents approached Simansar for a private tuition in Jan end 2004. Starting February, in 1 month's time, not only did Simansar teach me maths, he made me fall in love with the subject. Starting with from no hope of passing maths to scoring 83% in maths itself. By studying only for a month, I instantly regretted not having contacted him before, because I knew if he had tutored me for 1 full year, I would have scored a full 100% and topped maths in my school exams, as countless other students have done. Such is the dedication, the effort, the knowledge, the sincerity, and the personal attention of this one man. I am proud to call myself as his first student since he started private tuitions, and I will always cherish this fact. Once again, in my 12th standard, me and my friend started taking tuitions for maths from him. Considering all schedules, the only timing available was 10 p.m. at night. Our tuitions would start at 10 and continue till 12:30 in the morning. I remember it was 2005 and there were floods everywhere in Mumbai. Although we knew it was impossible for him to make it, he made it a point to inform us of his situation. Standing below a light pole and a tree for 2 days with a packet of biscuit, no charge in his phone, and hardly any rest. Third day he was at our place, back in high spirits to teach us mathematics. Since 10th and 12th board exams sometimes tend to coincide with dates, Simansar didn't go home for more than 50 hours. The dedication of this man is absolutely unparalleled. In 2016, I had no job for a year. When I contacted him, he gave me an opportunity to start private tutoring with 3 students and teaching math on an hourly basis in his classes. Sir, I may have never mentioned it, but till date, I am forever grateful for this opportunity. It is because of you and this opportunity that helped me survive on my own without asking my parents for a single rupee. He has always encouraged me to start something of my own. Finally, when I have, had this opportunity to start my own consultancy, I was lost. I didn't have support, and despite having many contacts, I knew it was Simansar who would do his best to guide me. And despite having him limited knowledge of the field I have my consultancy in, he has gone all out to understand, to guide, to brainstorm with me and help me make the most amazing proposal for my clients. There has not been a day that he has not answered my call, and if he has not, he has called me back. His iron-clad support and encouragement is what has helped me sail through the last 2 months. One sure lesson I have learned in my life is that no matter how much money you have, or how much money you make, or how much money you can pay, you can never buy three things in life: your values, your humility, and your professionalism. And if you find these three things in any person, make sure you don't lose that person. For me, this Siman sir, he may have had countless students scoring 100% in maths and any subject he taught. These are the things that have never left him. He's indeed a gem at heart, a magician at math, and a true mentor who will change your life. There is a saying, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. It is my good fortune to have met him and learned from him, and even greater good fortune to have his continued guidance till date. If you have been fortunate enough to join this call, or whenever you have a recording of this testimony, I will tell you three things. If you are a student, you are ready because the right teacher has appeared. If you are a parent, your child is ready. And if you are a friend, relative, or an acquaintance, you are very lucky to have found a true and a well-wishing friend, which is very, very rare in today's time. Thank you so very much for this opportunity, sir. I am humbled, and I don't think my words are enough and can express how much gratitude I have towards you and how much I owe you in this life. And I hope that in all future lifetimes, I always have a mentor like you. Thank you very, very much for giving me, the most valuable thing in your life, that is time, your sincerity. And thank you very, very much. I will be forever grateful to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.